Hello, it's user Jupiter Freak 88 once more. I have two more poems right here. The first one shall be Wake and Bake. I know you're laughing. Don't laugh. It's not funny. It's just a poem. Just words. The first one is Wake and Bake. And the second one, the title of the second one is The Bird. So these titles will be as the title of the video, of course. The poems that I write that will be titleless, I'll put them together. They're generally shorter as well. I'll put them together on the same video. You'll be able to know the differences. You'll be able to see, oh hey, I'm watching, this video is going to have some poetry with a title to it, or this video is going to have some short stanzas put together. And so we begin. To wake, to bake, to take, to wake up and greet the day, to bake the morning bud away, to take part in this new play, to make, to shake, to break, to make the world grow wild, to shake as a fearful child, to break into something vile. Poem number one, Wake and Bake. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're still laughing. And now we have poem 2 for this video. The Bird. Okay, so this video is going to have 3. I actually thought that was the bird right there. The bird's actually written on another page. Here is the bird. As the sun sets on the bird alone, there he sits, all on his own, thinking of the world and what he could be, and what of this world he shall see. That was the bird. I hope you enjoyed that one. Now I flip back to this one. Now, I've yet to come up with a title for this one. I know I just explained, oh, these will have titles. But this one's a little different, and it's kind of a sense of the growing madness within this world. We're having tons of wars all across the world. We're warring, different nations are warring with each other. There's different, civil wars and places where people are just killing people. We'll cover your war. Libya, of course. Yemen, Syria. I don't really have to name them. If you're intelligent, you keep up with the news, you understand what's going on. Yet at the same time, we have people suffering in catastrophes. People that still have nothing in Haiti. They still have nothing in Chile. Japan, logically, Japan is in the worst position right now. Prayers be with them. And so, I will begin this third titleless poem. Maybe maybe I could name this poem Chaotic Earth or Strange Society. There we go. Strange Society. Why are we not crying as we watch our world dying? Why are we not caring to see that we are not sharing? Why are we not shaking as we see our world breaking? Why are we not cowering as we stop our world from flowering? I apologize about the phone call. Now see, in the middle of this, I don't know if you can see here, is like the scratch here. It's because I wrote one line and then I thought, after reading it, I thought, well, maybe I can make it better. Sometimes I believe what you write first of all is the best. And then I've went back and changed things and overwritten things and restated things. And I never know completely. I don't believe anybody knows completely. There's no complete knowing. Alright, I'll read it again with that one line, that one separate line change. And I want to hear your remarks about this one poem, Strange Society. I want to hear what you guys believe about this one difference. Maybe some of you might catch it, maybe some of you won't. Why are we not crying as we watch our world dying? Why are we not caring about how our world is faring? Why are we not shaking as we notice our world breaking? Why are we not cowering as we stop our world from flowering? Well, that was the last of that one. I hope you enjoy it.